Hello all, my name is Subhra Mondal and welcome to another video on the placement series. So in this video we are going to talk whether a particular number provided by an user is prime or not. So let's say a particular number provided by the user, 1 minute guys. Yeah, let's say it's provided it's 5, right? And we know that if a particular number is only divisible by 1 and that particular number, then only it's a prime number, right? Then only it's a prime number. So that is the condition to be a number, to become prime, right? So that is the condition, guys. Sorry. Yeah, then it is prime, right? Else it will not a prime number. So what we will do, we will first take the input from the user, right? And then we will divide it starting from 1 to n. That means 5. Here the n is 5, so we will divide 5 starting from 1 to 5. And meanwhile what we will do, if it is equal to 0, let's say if it's equal to 0, then we will initialize one counter and we will increment one counter, right? And let's say for this case also it will be satisfied, this condition will be satisfied, right? And we will again increment this particular counter, and finally we will have c equals to 2. And remember guys, for the prime numbers, this particular counter will always be 2, right? Okay, because it's divided by 1, and the remainder is 0. Okay, so then the counter is incremented, and for the one n, it's again the counter will be incremented. So from prime number the counter will be 2, and for the non-prime number this particular counter will be greater than 2, right? So let me implement this in the code, right? So first we'll write n equals to input, sorry, it will be int, and inside this I will call the prompt the user and enter a number, right? Okay, so yeah, and now what we will do is we will run a loop for I in range, and of course this loop will be start from 1 and it will be end in n plus 1. Okay, so now it will be like if n divided by I equals to 0, then only counter value, let's say count, and it will be incremented by 1, right? And in the else part I need nothing, so I will just pass. Okay, and I need to initialize this count, and in the initial the count will be 0. Okay, yeah. Now what I need to do is let's say if yeah, if the count yeah, equals to 2, then if what it will do is it will print prime, else not prime. Okay, so let me run this, and let's say it's 5, so it's a prime number. Let's say 10, it's not prime. So that's all for the video guys. Thanks for watching.